Number 1.
I got it.
On November 12, 2024, what started as a routine traffic stop quickly turned into a dangerous pursuit on Interstate 440. The driver, later identified as Michael Lewis Jr., was caught using his phone while driving but decided to flee the scene, setting off a chaotic chain of events.
Number 2.
On December 21st, 2024, a theft at a GameStop in West Memphis, Arkansas, escalated into a high-speed chase when suspects fled in a white Nissan Maxima. What followed was a dangerous pursuit through residential streets, putting lives at risk.
Don't rush it! Show me your hand! Show me your hand! Show me your hand!
Coming up to MLK. I'll be with you in a minute, boy.
Hey, I see them piled up there in the windshield. They ain't moving. If you can hear me, climb out of the car with your hands up.
Hey, you can see some hands.
Hey, Gunner, let's move up to that tree so we can look down in. Hey, guys, we're going to go to that tree. Watch crossfire. Climb out the back glass. Climb out the back window with your hands up.
Show me some hands. All right, crawl out. Do it slowly. Crawl out. Do it slowly. If you don't do exactly what we tell you, you will be dog bit. Keep crawling out. Keep crawling out. You're doing great. Come on. Keep crawling out. When you hit the ground, just go to your knees. Stand up. Turn around. Face away from me. Stand up and face away from me. Face your car. Stand up. I don't care. The car you just got out of. Don't be a smart ass. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Do it now. What else in there? Okay. Walk backwards. Keep coming.
The chase ended with a tactical vehicle intervention and all 3 suspects were taken into custody. Over $2,600 worth of stolen merchandise was recovered. The driver now faces multiple charges, including theft and reckless driving, while the passengers are charged with theft and possession of drug paraphernalia. Another successful operation by law enforcement to bring criminals to justice.
Number 3.
In August 2024, Arkansas State Police were involved in a dramatic pursuit of a stolen motorcoach bus that spanned multiple highways and ended in a Union Pacific rail yard. The driver, 29-year-old Elvin Richard, led troopers on a chaotic chase before being brought to a stop.
Unsuccessful hit. Are y'all on Provo yet or not? We're on Provo Sonic. It definitely is 51. I'm coming up on Provo now. I'm trying to get in front of it. Go to the next clear, okay? Light man right here, we'll take you like that. We'll go on westbound. Move into. See you westbound to where we are. We are back by some large storage tanks coming into a employee parking lot. I don't see any. Anybody get stuff on the track? He's back over the track. We've got 2 tires that have been shot out. 2 tires shot out.
Sergeant Gabe Monroe disabled the bus by shooting its tires, ending the pursuit without injuries. Richard was taken into custody and now faces a long list of charges, including theft, burglary, and fleeing. The Little Rock Police Department continues to investigate the initial theft, while the Pulaski County prosecutor has cleared Sergeant Monroe of any wrongdoing in his use of force.
Number 4.
On December 13th, 2024, a routine traffic stop turned into a pursuit on Interstate 40 when a driver refused to pull over for Van Buren police. What followed was a tense chase, with officers working together to bring the situation under control. Let's see how it all unfolded.
TVI, before the scale.
Oh, get out of the car! Get out of the freaking car!
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay. We'll get it figured out.
Oh,
The problem is you're not stopping.
I'm sorry, sir.
Do you not see blue lights behind you?
I'm sorry, sir. I don't know.
The chase ended with a tactical vehicle intervention that brought the fleeing car to a stop. Thanks to quick action and teamwork, the suspect was safely taken into custody and transported to the Crawford County Detention Center. Another successful effort by law enforcement to keep our roads safe.
I'm sorry,